Hello, good morning. Andy with On Path Healing Arts here. Take you on a little video tour. This is my backyard studio, a little bit of a sanctuary. Just completed about a 3-year project, and super excited and grateful to be finished, and been training out here for many years, and now I have this kind of beautiful spot to do that in with other friends and folks. Pretty much anything that's outside of this red tile area was all dirt and wannabe grass and weeds, and now it's quite a lovely area for training. And out here we have our big open space for form practice and partner exercises, all that good stuff. Have a built-in gazebo covered area for training with some gear over there, and trellises and vines. In a few seasons that should all grow in pretty nicely. It's looking pretty. And over here we have our mulberry tree, Mr. Mully, the path around him for stalking and stance work, and a plum flower post garden, a grid of balancing posts, more stance work and balancing. Again, kind of everywhere you look, there's something nice to look at. Coming to the back side of the gazebo, back it up a little bit, and have a chin-up bar, heavy bag, mukchang. And over here, have our little meditation nook, seating area, and a tribute to our system, 7 circle system of Kung Fu, Tai Chi, and Qigong, founded by my beloved teacher, Grandmaster Umar Sharif. Again, mukchang for training, chin-up bar, heavy bag. Built a iron palm training tabletop for hand conditioning, and the posts are separated for board breaking. And then walking out the back of the gazebo, back to the training area. And there you have it. Hope you get a chance to visit me here sometime, and have a beautiful day. Thanks for joining me on this little tour. Peace and love.